want to become a fashion designer but don't know where to start? If you really want to start your career in fashion designing and don't know where to start, I have got you covered. Most people think that you need fancy degree or very expensive equipment to kickstart your fashion designing journey. Trust me, that is not true. You just need a strong foundation and a correct mindset. Here's a quick roadmap how to kickstart your fashion designing journey. The first point is learn fashion sketching. It can be a stick sketching also. So basically you have to start implementing your thoughts into reality on paper so that you can convey your thoughts into reality. It will not only help you to convert your thoughts into reality but also give you the motivation to be a good fashion designer. Next point is understanding the fabric. So basically you have to know which fabric gives a perfect drape, which fabric is stiff enough to hold a structure, so on and so forth. So understanding the fabric is very important in fashion designing because it is the starting point of any garment. Start experimenting. Take your old clothes and cut it and create a new outfit out of it because old is gold. Create portfolio. Just assemble all of your work like mood boards, theme boards, croquis boards and stuffs like that together so that you have your own portfolio to kickstart your journey. Next point is follow fashion trends. So basically you have to follow fashion trends, fashion shows and fashion designers as well. You should be updated with the fashion trends which is currently in vogue in the industry. So you understood that it is very easy to kickstart your journey of becoming a fashion designer. Please drop a message into the comment box saying that what is holding you back to become a fashion designer. I will personally address all the questions and answer them in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you don't miss out any of the videos which I'm gonna post in the next 30 days to help you to kickstart your fashion designing journey. And if you have any other question related to fashion designing, you can always drop a comment in the comment box. I will definitely try to answer each and every question in the comment box. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.